I am Girish Chandra Tripathi. I am lucky to be associated with NTPC School of Business. NTPC School of Business has been created for the purpose of augmenting managerial skills in the employees of organizations like NTPC and other stakeholders like PSUs, NLC, NHPC, etc. That was the original thought process why NTPC School of Business has been created. It was created in 2014 when NTPC School of Business, under the aegis of NTPC Education and Research Society, applied to AICTE for approving the shortest duration program by them, that is 15 months, postgraduate diploma for executives. This program is focused on energy sector, and the ultimate objective, ultimate aim of NTPC School of Business is to reach to the level of think tank for the entire industry, not only for India but also globally. I have been recruited by NTPC to start NTPC School of Business, and that's what I said, that I'm lucky to have been associated with the formation of NTPC School of Business. NTPC and NTPC School of Business, they are at arm's length. NTPC is a profit-making company, and the way higher education is administered in India, a profit-making company is not encouraged to start such an educational venture. This is why NTPC promoted a society known as NTPC Education and Research Society, which was registered in Delhi in the month of March 2014, and we NTPC Education and Research Society formed NTPC School of Business, and our first class happened in the premises of Power Management Institute on 3rd of August 2015, when we started our first batch. After a while, when this, see, as I said, that originally the purpose of NTPC School of Business was augmenting the managerial skills in the people who are already working for organizations like NTPC. Later on, we started realizing that in order to reach to the level of think tank, a lot of focus needs to be done on research. So we started scouting for organizations or for agencies or for institutions which will help us reaching to that level. Fortunately, IIM Ahmedabad agreed to handhold us for 5 years, starting from April 2018. Right now, we are handheld by IIM Ahmedabad. And then in 2018 only, we started with our second program, that was postgraduate diploma in management for energy management. Now, both the courses, that is PGDM Executive and PGDM Energy Management, are focused on energy. This is primarily for those people, those candidates who have already decided that they will be having their career in the field of energy. Energy, a very, very important aspect of the entire business, as you can say that approximately 8 to 9% of the total GDP is from the field of energy. This is why energy cannot be ruled out. And this sectoral business school is focused only on this aspect. So the candidates who have decided that they will be in the field of energy, for them NTPC School of Business is a very, very genuine and important place for them to be. NTPC School of Business trains them on multiple aspects of business, particularly on energy, which includes HR, marketing, energy studies, finance, etc. And after having done this course, or in these two courses, people are expected to be having necessary skills to start their own business and also to perform excellently well in their profession wherever they go. So the companies which are scouting for such talent can always come to NTPC School of Business. In the last couple of years, there are many companies which have come to NTPC School of Business for placement, which includes companies like KPMG, Ernst & Young, Deloitte. These are consultancies. Other companies like some of the international consultancies also have come to us. Organizations like IEX, NTPC Limited, and several other organizations are here, like BHEL, are here for recruiting our students. And the feedback which has been received from the recruiters is that this product is excellent. In the first 4 or 5 years, we did not have PGDM EM students for whom placement was not exactly the requirement. So the students of those years were only sponsored by different organizations, and the organizations included NTPC, NHPC, Coal India Limited, Naval Lignite Corporation, BHEL, etc. Our students, after completing their 15 months program, when they have gone back, they have done excellently well. Example is that Naval Lignite Corporation has already put our people, the people who are our alumni, in their business development, and in not only local, at international level, and they are doing excellently well. They have been again scouting to communicating to different stakeholders that the NTPC School of Business is doing an excellent program. Another example I can give you that Mr. Piyush Goyal, when he was Energy Minister, came here and he saw what NTPC School of Business is doing. After he became the Minister of Coal, there was an institute known as IICM in Ranchi. He went in a visit there. He narrated about his visit to NTPC School of Business and requested those people that why don't you go and have a look at NTPC School of Business the way they are doing. You also can start a similar kind of program. So I started getting visitors from IICM. So you know, for getting an advice that what can be done so that IICM also in its field of coal can do the same thing as what we are doing in the field of energy. So such references have happened. Today we are running a couple of projects which have been sponsored by different organizations promoted by Ministry of Power. That project is on the development of energy market in India, which obviously you may be knowing that at the moment the total energy traded in our country is only approximately 4-5% of the total energy used is traded from the exchanges. This Government of India intends to increase to the level of around 30-35%. For that, robust development of energy markets, energy exchanges is important. That is the work which has been assigned to us. We are also doing another project with the ozone cell of Ministry of Environment and Forest, and such consultancy works also we are taking up. We are primarily focusing on education, which is related to energy. Also, multiple MDPs have been conducted here. In fact, I will suggest those students who have decided that they will be in the field of energy, they should be. NTPC School of Business is a very, very good option for them. They can come here, they will be able to train. This is a promise from our side that they would be made equal to the best in class as far as their staffing exercise is concerned in their own discipline. Thank you.